There's a ride coming. I'm gonna cross and go back home. Merhaba dostum. Oh. You guys wanna see what's underwater? Check. Nothing interesting, huh? What are you up to, buddy? Chilling. Alright, do we get on the other boat and then this boat? Thank you. Yay, we made it. We made it across. How was your trip, man? You enjoyed it?
I loved it, man.
Ah, no, it's fun. We'll do it again sometime. Where are you going on Monday?
Ireland, bro. Dublin.
What are you gonna do there?
Smoke up, bro.
Smoke up, bro. What else are you gonna do there?
Study.
Study what? You already said about
Yeah, I said that, but I'll say it again. Cinematography.
Nice, man. Good luck on your journey, bro. I'm gonna miss you. Like,
I'm gonna miss you more.
We're nearing the end of our journey together. Of
We need
this
the icing
journey.
of the cake of this journey, man. We need the icing of the cake of this journey, which would be some.
Nice. Bye bye, my friend.
Salama.
مع السلامة صديق. صديق أنا أحبك. Alright, yeah, that's him going home, and I'm almost home. What a day! What a day! Oh, look at these horsies here. Hi, horsies. It's just so hot. I'm so tired. I think I'm just gonna take a shower here. So I got my hose set up on the tree. Just turn this on. And there's my shower. Hi, donkeys. So today I'm cutting metal. That's my tool, and I'll show you guys. Got these metals that I had marked from before. Where are my marks? Yeah, 250 centimeters going that way. That's the X. We don't want this piece, and then 250 centimeters going that way. Cut it along this line and along this line using that metal cutter. Let's find a nice spot for the camera. Why wasn't the welding machine working?
Look at this shit.
Oh, there's literally a cable. Is that the only problem?
I would think so, yeah.
So you just need to replace that?
Well, I'm just gonna, that's why I brought these. I'm just gonna put it back together.
Cool. I'm gonna measure more and cut more. Hi, horsey. Mommy donkey. So I just keep measuring, marking, and cutting them until I'm gonna have 20. I'm halfway done. I have 10 here. So let's do it. Yeah, it was overheating under the sun, so I had to put the camera in that fridge. But now I have my last piece left. Final piece. So I'd like to have you guys here for that. Here we go. What are we doing here?
We're just gonna put these last two pieces on and
The uprights?
yep.
Did you decide the third one spot?
Yeah, I think it's marked, isn't it?
Oh yeah, we already had decided. It's somewhere around there. Cool, so we're gonna weld these on.
Do you have the branch trimmer?
Yes, I'll bring. Go. I'll follow with the branch
You need
trimmer.
Branch trimmer, because Johan's about to run to a branch.
Oh, okay, so
The big few bamaka.
physics one.
Hi, go. Well, if it rolls like this on the dirt, I can't wait to feel it on the track.
Right? Just got another weld on. Now the gate's functional.
Right, now we gotta do the same thing.
Oh, there's a cable there.
Let's see if we can. So the object is, we need a ladder out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sheep. Come here, Here you go. Oh, she's gonna go over with me. I know the first thing he's gonna do. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. A little like this. A little what? Like, the top is in for me? Yeah. Then, well, the top can't move. The foot is going a little bit. Just make sure the gate's clearing it. So I'll hold this real quick. It needs to, so let's test it real quick. Make sure the gate needs to hold. See how it's over. Yeah, just look at it. Alright, swing. Alright. G1, you're gonna beat me. It's good. That's it. That's it, yeah. Has to get the yellow level. I can go down a little lower. Yeah, it's pretty close here. Hey, G1. G1, you're 3 years old. What are you doing? You're 3. I'm ready to go. Let's try again. Try that way. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I see an issue. Okay. I think it's okay. That's the yellow level. No, hi, Thorn. Don't give me hold. You're not allowed to go inside anymore. Hey guys, look, it's a donkey. Look at the donkey teeth. Well, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh, don't close me out. I like being close to you.
Bye bye, donkey. Welding time?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, kid.
He didn't used to know how to get down. Now he's learned.
Hi, Rusty.
God, you're a real risk taker.
Come. Don't go away. Don't go away. Come on. Touched you.
Hey, Jib, we gotta move this, sweetie.
Come on. Come smell my hand. Give me a hug. Selfie time.
It's a horsey.
Horsey selfie. Donkey selfie.
Hey guys.
Hi. Hashtag. You want an ice latte mocha? Painting?
No, I wouldn't really call it that. Making a mess.
Coloring.
No, I wouldn't call it that. Coloring, no, it's just making a mess.
Okay. This is all the metal I cut this
Don't want to be
morning.
asked if you've done a job again. Do it really badly. That's a joke. I said, they say that if you don't want to be asked to do a job again, then you just do it really badly.